folks, welcome back to our class. In this class, we're going to start using AI to do some web coding. So if you haven't heard about the phrase, web coding is essentially rely on AI to code for us. And in terms of accounting and finance, we can use web coding, leverage AI's help to automate a lot of our wallpapers. So I'm still going to use our earlier example in our class for sales by customer and cost of sales by customer. And let's quickly take a look at those two files. Again, I have three columns: date, customer, revenue. And for cost of sales, it's the same thing: um, date, customers, cost of sales. So with this, I want to build a Python program using AI to basically help us reconcile these files together. So with this, let's get started. Using VS Code, let's navigate to the folder containing those two Excel files. So then I can start talking to AI and ask AI to build the Python program for me. To do this, I actually want to give AI a little bit context of what those files are. So if I want to do that, I'm gonna right click this Excel files and click add file to chat. So after I did that, you see this Excel files basically included as a attachment when I talk to AI. I'm gonna do this for cost of sales as well. With both the files included as a background, I'm gonna send my prompt over there. So let me copy my prompt over here. And my prompt is essentially asking AI to write a Python program for the attached spreadsheet. And first, create a UI, because later on, in the next month, when I do this reconciliation again, I can just directly run this application and then browse to the files, and I want the program to merge the file for me. I no longer need AI at that point, because once I have the program, everything else can be, I can simply just run the program to repeat the process. Um, so I definitely want to see the merged result between those two files and also the unmerged result from those files as well. And at the end, I even want the program to draw the chart for me to show the revenue and the cost of revenue data, like to basically show me the trend. So with this, at the end, I definitely want AI to create a virtual environment for me, because I need to install those required packages to be able to run the program in the future. So those are all my prompts. I'm gonna go ahead and send this to AI, and let's see the web coding in action. So it first asks me to run a command to create the virtual environment. And once I did that, you see this virtual environment folder is created, and also it's being activated in my terminal. So now it looks like it prefers to create a virtual environment using a VS Code built-in method, which is .venv. And now it has written a program for me, and which is a very simple program. This program is only 58 lines of code. And right now it asks me whether I want to install the required packages. So if you have taken my earlier Python courses before, you would understand those four packages are: OpenPyXL is used for manipulate Excel files. Pandas is able to manipulate the data frames and merge the two data sets. Plotly is to draw the chart. Streamlit is a website-based UI that I can use to browse to files very easily. So with this, let me allow the AI to install the packages to the virtual environment. So now it already programmed for me and installed the required packages. It's going to run the program for us and see whether the program works. So let's allow this to run. So AI realizes its error because it's using a wrong, it needs to run the full pass to execute Streamlit. So now let's run it again. And you see this Streamlit web application now start. It's a local host because this Streamlit web application is locally run on our machine. And here it asks me to drag those two files. So I can simply drag my sales by customer file in here, and then custom sales by customer files in there. Um, Let me do it this. And now, after I drop in those two files, I can immediately see the original data. Like first Excel file, it's reading successfully. Second Excel file, reading successfully. Common columns, customers and dates. Customers and date are the common columns. So now it's merged result with those date and columns are merged together. And now I have this merged result with revenue and cost of sales matched together. So, and of course, there are unmatched results as well. So this is the unmatched result from first file and unmatched result from second file. And also it shows me the trend of the revenue and cost of the sales. Um, I do believe there should be unmatched records from each file. I don't know why AI made an error here. Um, so let's ask, right? So let's go back to AI and ask, I do have unmatched data, but why the Streamlit unmatched from first file and second file are empty? And this is where you can also use AI to do some sort of a debugging. Now it asks me whether I want to run the program again. Let's go ahead and try it again. Let me drop in sales by customer file and cost of sales by customer file. And let's see whether this time it's able to show unmerged result. And here unmerged result from first file and unmerged result from second file. Now it successfully displayed both files and also successfully displayed the revenue and cost of sales trend by day for me. So and this is exactly what I need. So now going forward every month, I just need to rerun this program over and over again. This is how you can automate your wallpapers by web coding. So I hope you really enjoy this class. And after you fully tested the code and make sure the code works, all you need to do is accept what AI has done for you. So you can just click keep here. And now you can, going forward, you can just keep running this program. So hope you really like this web coding course. And AI has really endless possibilities for us to help automate our day-to-day work. And web coding is certainly one of the major benefit it brought us, especially in accounting and finance. So in the future, I definitely can see a lot of us will start code wallpapers versus manually preparing those wallpapers. So, and we will see how automation will unfold in the future. And we all should be very excited about it. Thank you very much.